Welcome to my channel, Always Toppers. And today we will discuss on the topic excretion. Excretion is a biological process by which an organism gets rid of excess toxic waste products of metabolism. We all know that the metabolism occurs in the cell, and inside the cell various toxic substances are formed which needs to be removed from the body. So if I say about the process of ejection, that will not come in the process of excretion, because in case of ejection we are just removing the we are get rid of the excess of items which you eat, but that is not coming from inside the cell. So we cannot take the process of ejection as the process of excretion. So in case of excretion, it is important that inside the cell the process occurs and the toxic substances are formed. Now I also want to state about osmoregulation. You might have heard about the word osmoregulation. It is a process that maintains the amount of water and proper ionic balance in the body. You might have heard about the sodium, potassium, the chlorine ions which is present in our body. So now in the process of excretion, in case of animals, we will start with the first protozoans. You all know that it is a single celled animal, and the waste products are simply coming out by the process of diffusion. So you can write here that the excretory products are just removed by the simple process of diffusion. Next, when we move to the higher order, in this case of the sponges, you must be knowing about that there are various pores in case of the sponges. We call it as ostia. The water enters through the ostia and comes through the osculum. So here also the waste products is coming out through the osculum. In case of flatworms, you must have heard about the single-celled cells called as flame cells. This special cell is present in case of flatworms, through which the process of excretion occurs. In case of other higher, like the earthworms, you might have heard about the name nephridia. In case of earthworm, there is nephridia. You can write like this: NEPHRIDIA. They have the special organ, you can say, for excretion and osmoregulation, and it is tubular structure present in the earthworm. In case of insects, centipedes, arachnids and millipedes, we have Malphizian tubules. Malphizian tubules. You can write the spelling: Malphizian tubules for the process of excretion. In case of mollusca, higher order, and in case of vertebrates, we have a special organ called as kidneys. Might have heard about it. So we will deal about this. I told that the mollusks and vertebrates have kidneys for excretion and osmoregulation. So now we will discuss about the urinary system of human beings. The urinary system of human beings, we call it as vertebrates, consists of a pair of kidneys having nephrons. Now, nephron is a long tubule which is regarded as a unit of structure and function in a kidney. One kidney contains about 1 million nephrons, and each about 3 centimeters long. We will discuss about the urinary system of human beings. consists of a pair of kidneys, a pair of ureters, a urinary bladder, and a urethra. We will come to internal structure of kidney. You can see there is a structure. One kidney is drawn here. The internal structure consists of cortex, which is the outer part, and medulla, which is the inner part of the kidney. Now, kidney is bean-shaped. You can see in the figure. It is bean-shaped structure. Now, above the kidney, there is a gland. We call it as adrenal gland. Adrenal, the word itself means that something present above the kidney. So adrenal gland is a gland which is present just above the kidney. The kidney, as I told earlier also, is divided into two parts, the renal cortex and the renal internal side is medulla. The renal cortex consists of uriniferous tubules such as Malpighian body, proximal convoluted tubule, but not the Henner's loop. Henner's loop is not present on the outer side of the kidney. There are some raised portions in the kidney. We call it as the renal columns of Bertini. There are some pyramid-like structures. We call it as medullary pyramid. The renal medulla contains the renal columns of Bertini, the Henner's loop, all are present in the renal medulla. Next we will discuss about the structure of nephron.